making a little video about getting this old John Deere back on the road. You know, our local show is featuring John Deere, so my son wants our 35B John Deere going at the show. So, got to do a little carburetor work, and well, I'm going to document some of this stuff. Maybe make a video, see how she looks. Never know. See how it works out. I'm going to do some time-lapse stuff too with my other camera. Never know. Might just be terrible. Anyway, this is my video on a B John Deere. Here's the body where all the fuel is. So we'll be putting a float, needle and seat in there. There's the carburetor, you know, that's where you liquefy the onions and just give her the sauce. It's all got to go through there. You know, it's our booster here. That's where, you know, you turn them onions into massive amounts of horsepower. 22 in this case. So anyway, it's for a 35B John Deere. Well, first thing I did here is installed the float and the needle and seat. There's about my float. It might be a tick on the tie side. We'll give her a try. You can always adjust it later. No, not painting this carburetor for anybody that wonders. Tractor's in its work clothes, so keeping her all looking rusty and stuff, you know, because it's a rusty tractor. Alright, if you've never had one of these apart, and you're gonna do one, here's something to remember. Before you put your float bowl assembly on to the main body of the carburetor, put this bolt back in, because once that piece is on there, you can't get it on there without taking that back off. Ask me how I know. And here we have the completed carburetor. Of course, I didn't really give a really good tutorial on all the little tidbits, but anyway, see the bolts in there? This is my fuel adjustments here. One's for idle, and one's the main, so this side's the idle. So I will look at my notes and see where I had it set, and I guess we're going to put this thing on and see if it works. Might even do a little video of the first start, you know, just never know. Well, little by little we're gaining. I know she'll start here without me with one hand, but we'll give her a try. Make sure she's neutral, you know. Don't want to get her run over. I don't have the rest of the intake on yet, but that's coming. Nope. Probably flooded her. Maybe. Gotta make Prairie Village yet. That's that with the John Deere. We're going to do the brakes next, so we can stop, you know. Usually a lot of people at the Prairie Village Jamboree, you know, we're hoping to have 18,000 or so, maybe more. Hoping for more. That'd be good. Anyway, carburetor seems to be working good. Changed oil. I think she's back to being happy. So, anyhow, gosh, I wonder what V-Dub Jawbreaker Gary's doing today. Well, anyway, working on the brakes tonight, and you know, if I think of it, I'll try to record a few little snippets of that and see what I come up with. Well, have a good day and hope it's a good one.